Welcome to the crypto mess. Alright, so let's go and check. Today it's a red day, but we had so many green days, so it's okay. Alright, so this is Coinbase. We are, I believe we did reach the bottom for this fourth wave, and now we're working on the beginning of this fifth wave. So, yeah, it's not super clear once again. Don't have much data, I would say, and because the stock market closed, it's not like as clear as crypto, right? So, but if I zoom in a little bit, here we go. So I'm counting this as a wave 1, and I'm saying this is an A, a B, and a C. So that's for the wave 1. We had an A, B, C for the wave 2. And once again, we have an A, a B, and a C. I do believe the third wave is reached. Also, when I did the fib extension, wave 1 to wave 2, this is the area where we got. And you can see that we went even higher than the 1.618, which is usually the ideal target, right? You went even higher than that and you reached the 2x. Let me remove a little bit of these drawings now. Alright, so if this is the top of the third wave, now we should see something like a shallow pullback. Let's go and check here. Just wanna update that. I'm not even sure, honestly, if this third wave is finished. For the moment, don't have, it's kind of, yeah, don't wanna say messy, but there is still that chance that, this could be already the wave 4, a very short one, but usually or often we kind of match the length of the wave 2 to the wave 4. Now, because the length, the pullback of the wave 2 was very shallow. Actually, let me go and check it out. You see, this is a very, very shallow for a wave 2. So let me remove. Okay, so we did the 0.236 here for the wave 2. So when we have a shallow wave 2, kind of expecting a deeper pullback with a wave 4. So I wouldn't be surprised at all, first of all, to go and reach the MA 200, which is coincidentally be the 0.382 by the time we go there, I believe. But who knows, maybe it's going to take, well, now it's almost 12, 3 minutes to 12 o'clock. We only have 4 hours. Do I believe we're going to reach this lower level here by the end of the day? I don't think so. So I think it's going to be, we're going to sleep over during the weekend, and perhaps maybe, who knows, maybe Bitcoin is going to start this deeper correction, and it could enable Coinbase to reach lower levels. So until 216, 217, it's not a bad. Honestly, though, because this is a diagonal, right? We need to give more room, because into diagonal it's really frequent that the fourth wave goes deeper, and because we had the shallow wave 2, so I'm kind of expecting anywhere between 216 and $205. So this is honestly what I'm looking forward now. Am I taking some profits? Actually, I should, but I'm just going to let it ride for this fourth and fifth wave, and after that I'm going to more likely take some profits and wait for a deeper pullback. That would coincide also with Bitcoin, right? Because it's still going higher, or now it's going a little bit slightly lower, but I'm not sure. I need to go and check it out. I didn't open the chart of Bitcoin yet. But anyhow, for Coinbase, I just want to go and check on the daily also. So we're getting near overbought. I could also maybe start to debate that we we start to have, actually it's not debatable at all, this is a bearish divergence. Now this is not a deal done, but price is still going higher or slightly higher, but the other side is going lower. Yeah, okay, so this is one sign that eventually price will go lower. Let's go and check lower levels. Pretty much the same on the 12 hours, 8 hours. Yeah, yeah, so 4 hours and yeah, 1 hour for sure is going to have. And even though you see that, let me see here. Yeah, here we have a nice divergence, because even though price is still going up or on the side, then the other side is start to reset a little bit. Okay, so but this is just to give us a gauge, right? Because if you think that price is going to reverse, but then the other side is there, or it's oversold, then it wouldn't work, right? So this is why this is just a cherry on the sundae, right? The bigger part of the analysis is anyway in my strategy is the Fibonacci levels, 1, and 2 I'm going to look and study and understand the possible structure. Those two, I would say that's 95% of my decision on buying, selling, or not doing anything, or not yet, right? And yeah, the RSI, the indicators, they're nice. It just give me 1% more insurance or assurance for me anyway, but it's not a deal done, and I don't trade mainly with indicators. It's the price action, Fibonacci, and Elliott waves. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can join our Discord channel. And, have a good day. Bye.